The Yamaha CP73 key stage piano delivers a convincing mix of acoustic and electric piano voices that feel ready for professional performance straight out of the box. Its balanced hammer action with an E to E key range gives players a comfortable middle ground between piano-like weight and the agility needed for organ and synthesizer parts. The onboard selection of multiple concert grands, upright pianos, and classic electric pianos covers most live and studio situations without needing extra sound modules. Dedicated front panel controls for effects such as delay, reverb, and equalization make it easy to reshape sounds in real time without diving through menus on stage. Seamless sound switching lets you change patches while sustaining notes or chords, avoiding the abrupt cutoffs that can ruin transitions in a live set. Yamaha includes a high-quality continuous sustain pedal, so the instrument feels complete for serious playing as soon as you connect it and power it on.